Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today we could do a little PR haul and just show you what I've accumulated. Most of this is over the last 2 or 3 weeks. It's not a ton, but I figure we can sit down, do it now. That way we have a shorter video. And if you guys like these, make sure to leave a thumbs up. So I'm gonna get this one out of the way. And this is already open, but I did get a package from Liquid IV, and this was in collaboration with Kygo. So they did this pina colada flavor. Oh my god, it is so good, and it's subtle, it's sweet, but it's not overly sweet like some flavors. And the little Kygo noise canceling earbuds, but these actually stay in my ears, which my ears are kind of like really small inside, so I had to go all the way to the small size of the things, and they actually fit in there and they're comfortable and they sound so amazing, and you can like personalize your sound. So I downloaded the app and connected it, and they're really cool. Like, I love them. And Zach was like, are they better than your Beats? Because he bought me Beats a while back. I'm not used to wearing bulky headphones, like they're a whole headphone set. These are just so nice, especially if I'm just, you know, going around everywhere and it's not heavy on my head. And it also sent a water bottle, but Zach claimed that pretty quick. I do have a code for Liquid IV. It's Amy_Erica25. So anytime if you want to stock up on Liquid IV or you want to give it a try, be sure to use my code because it's such a good deal. It's 25% off and free shipping, which is it's just a really good discount. I would suggest if you're just starting out, maybe try one of the variety packs and then use the coupon. That way you can try multiple flavors. I'm a fan of the pina colada, the new one, lemon lime. I love the strawberry, passion fruit. Those are like my favorites. Ooh, and they have one that's a hydration multiplier but also has immune support. That one's clementine. That one's so good. That's probably my like second or third favorite flavor. So highly recommend those. I have gotten a couple things from Octoly. So from Dr. Dennis Gross and Octoly, I got the Dr. Dennis Gross exfoliating body treatments. So if you're familiar with the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta daily peels, then these are pretty much the same thing except for your body. I have not opened this up and taken these out. Most of the stuff I've actually used, so I'll be able to give you some opinions, like short and brief opinions. But these are little exfoliating like wipes that you just put over your body, and it's gonna work the same way as the face ones do in terms of it's a chemical exfoliation, but these are so gentle. I can use the extra strength ones with no problem whatsoever, so I highly recommend them. And this is what the little packet looks like. It's probably like bright as hell, but I'm really excited because I love Dr. Dennis Gross products. Anything that I've tried, I've been really impressed with, and I think they are more like clinical grade. There's more active ingredients in it, so if you want something that's really gonna work, I would highly recommend Dr. Dennis Gross. Another one is the Fresh Kombucha Cleansing Treatment. Now I just got this one and one of the other skincare items I just got yesterday. So this one is a cleansing treatment. The other kombucha product that they have is an essence. This one is a cleansing treatment, so it's gonna work just like a micellar water, but this one also is gonna like treat your skin. Kombucha essence is one of my favorite products from Fresh. I've actually used 2 bottles of it. I actually can't believe, but yeah, 2 bottles of that I've already gone through, and it's just a beautiful product. And it's one of those, I think I've talked about it a lot before, and I said it in my empties too. It's one of those that when you're using it, you're like, okay, I like it, and then when you stop, you're like, shit, now I really know why I love it, and it feels like it was that missing little like key ingredient. So I do love Fresh as well. I'll quickly mention I did the Milani lip swatch video. That one is definitely being like hidden by YouTube, probably because my videos are not doing like the best lately, but YouTube just decided that this particular video was not going to be seen by anybody. So if you look at my previous uploaded video, I did a lip swatch and I swatched all 12 colors. So if you were interested in this formula, it's more hydrating. They're very pigmented though, hydrating, pigmented. They feel great on the lips, and this was sent to me as well. So they sent me just a package with 12 of those lip colors, and I'm super excited. I really like the formula, so definitely check out the lip swatch. Now this was a really sweet package. This was from Miss Swiss, which is basically like a little case that looks super bright. It's a little case to keep your makeup in, and it has compartments or like little slots. These little slots pop up, and they can hold your products like a pencil or a lip or whatever, and there's 4 of them in here. So it keeps all your makeup nicely separated and basically like in place. So you'll never have like makeup flying around. I know it's a little bit bulky, but if you're like me, carry a bigger purse anyway. But if you're traveling with, you know, a few pieces of makeup, I think it's really cool. I do think it's an ingenious idea. I'm gonna be 100% frank about the feel of it. I was expecting something more metal feeling, like a Swiss Army knife, and I think that's kind of the inspiration here, but it's more plasticky. But I really like that they have a great idea. I feel like this may just to be a little bit perfected, and I am not bashing by any means. They did the sweetest thing. They actually made a donation to the Muscular Dystrophy Association, and if you guys didn't know, my oldest brother had muscular dystrophy, and it's a horrible disease, and so it's always my favorite charity, and they made a small donation to that instead of sending like gifts and, you know, big packages or anything like that, and I really appreciated that, and I think they are the sweetest. I also got a package from Makeup Eraser. This one was a set. It came with a makeup bag and 2 little hairpins, but I don't know what I've done. Oh, I have the bag. I've used the hairpins though, and I've put them in places, but the bag is cute. It's matching, and then they also sent the orange one. After I actually fully gave these 100% a try, because I think in the past I just kind of used them but kind of didn't, but you need to wash these when you get them with hot water in your towel load before you use them. After I did that, it was something about it like activates the fibers, but I was actually pretty blown away, and I'm like, why didn't I love these when I first tried them? And I probably just took it out of the box and tried to wipe my makeup off, you know, and didn't really pay attention to what I was doing. So I really enjoy these, and I went ahead and ordered a 7-day set, which those I think are my favorite. The quality is the same regardless if you want to get a big one or small ones, but I like the small ones because it's just enough to take all your makeup off, and then you can use like one a day, versus this could clean your face multiple times, but once you've used it once, you know, you feel like it's dirty, so you just toss it to the side. So I really love my makeup erasers. Also got a really cute package from Nug. I do still have a code with them. It's just Amy, A-M-I-E, and that will save you, I think it's 15% off your order of 25 or more, and I think that one might be free shipping as well. It's such a deal because it's a really low amount, so you can add a few items. So they sent the Double Detox and Aqua Boost mask. I haven't gotten around to using these yet because I still have some in my drawer in my bathroom that I've been using, so those will just be my backups. And then these are probably my 2 favorite Nug products. This is the Vanilla Lip Scrub and the Super Shine Balm. I love their balms, and they probably know by now because I've talked about this. I'm notorious for losing them, but they're so good. So now I just find them in places, which is really nice. But they continually stock me up on this, thank goodness, because it's my favorite. I probably have one of these in like 4 purses, but that's me. Oh, I think I also got this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. These are so pretty. I would definitely recommend this on bare skin, under makeup. You can mix this. You can even put it over top of foundation, and it looks so pretty. So this I am super excited to use more, but it's already like gorgeous. I love it. And I think this one came from Octoly as well. Grande Cosmetics also hooked me up with a few things. I went to a virtual event in December, I think early December, and it was about their holiday sets, and it was really fun. But they asked at the end, like, if you haven't tried some things, let us know and we can send them to you. And I was like, well, there's so much I haven't tried, and I didn't want to ask for like everything, but I was like, I haven't tried the lips and I haven't tried the cheek products. Also the heated lash curler, which they didn't send, but I'm like so tempted to order it because my lashes are like very droopy. They do not want to curl, so I would love to try it. But they sent their Grande Pop Plumping Liquid Blush. I remember seeing some reviews on this a while back, like so far back that Tati did a review. That tells you when it came out. They feel like this touch of a cooling sensation. I'm just gonna swatch one of the blushes and then also one of the highlights. That particular blush is called Mauve Sickle, and then the highlight is called French Pearl. So I'm gonna blend them out a little bit now that you've seen the color. Hopefully you can see that okay, but so pretty, and they actually feel really nice on the skin too. Then they also sent Grande Lipstick Plump and Hydrate, and they sent 4 shades. I'm just gonna quickly show you the shades. Now they're really cool because they have this center like ribbon running through the lipstick that is the plumping ingredient, and then you have the color on either side so it mixes together. It's got like that little, I don't know, I love this scent, and maybe some people don't like it, but their lip products have I don't know how to explain this. It's like a burning scent, and it's not really like, that's a horrible explanation. That sounds like I don't like it. I love the scent. There's just something about it. And then they sent, ooh, this like a deeper mauve and then a berry. So they sent me a nice range of colors so that I can try them out. I really want to do a lip swatch like on Instagram or a reel or something and show these off because they're so pretty. I also placed an order with YesStyle, but I did use a credit. So they actually give like credits. I think I had a $50 one, and for the YesStyle influencers, and YesStyle is the place. If you want to order K-Beauty, J-Beauty, you can get it, and a lot of times it's less expensive to just order from them than to find a retailer in the US. Like I noticed the few things that Ulta carries, they're more expensive at Ulta, at least what I looked at, than what they have on their website. So I would definitely look into it. I found some Neogen products that I've never seen before. This one is the Ace2 Dermatica Serum Spray. This looks so freaking cool. And Neogen is a brand that was carried in Sephora for some time. I don't know if they still carry anything, or maybe it's just a little bit. And then I also have Neogen Probiotics Relief Toning Pads. These just looked so intriguing. So I'm just stoked so I could try some different products, and they just carry a lot more that we don't typically see in the US. This one is from a Pew, and this is the, I'm gonna show you all this word, Madecassoside fluid. It's a toner that helps soothe and nourish tired skin. I was like, yes, bitch, sign me up. I need it. And then these are so cute. This is from a brand called Secret Key. This is the Marine Raccoony Hydrogel Eye Patches. I tried the pink ones and I'm in love. They're really good. As far as eye patches go, these are probably the ones that I've loved the most out of anything. And I've had some good ones too. But look how freaking cute. I love this. And it comes with so many pairs, 60 patches. So it's 30 pairs. The pink ones that I got were super cute. There's a beautiful green. I don't know why I want to like have every color of eye patches to just match all my skincare. Okay, there's a few more packages. So, oh dear, Hip Dot sent me some palettes, and they sent these stickers, and I've just made a mess. But look at the cute stickers. It says, pour some glitter on me. And then look at this Santa. He's very sassy. They actually DM'd me and told me to send them a wish list of the products that I wanted. And there wasn't like a ton because I do have a few of their palettes. I saw some things, but I think some of the things that I asked for are things, if I say things one more time, a couple of the items that I put on my wish list were things that were sold out, and I was like, well, I'd love to have these if they're coming back, if they're not like discontinued. So first up, they sent the Moon Queen face palette. The packaging is gorgeous. I think I need to lower the brightness on my camera, y'all, next time. And this one, it has a round mirror, which I thought was really cool. And then you've got 2 blushes, a highlight, maybe 3 highlights. I don't know if that one's just meant to be highlight, and then a bronzer, but it's beautiful colors. I'm loving this like super peachy one, but everything in the palette looks really pretty. I think highlight wise, you've got a good range for everyone. Bronzer is kind of limiting, but I think the highlights look gorgeous. Ooh. That's the top middle highlight, and then I'll swatch the Red Moon blush. Look at that. And just trying more of their palettes, I'm so impressed with their quality. I swear, when I first saw the brand, I was like, I don't know who this is, but they're so good. They're really good. So also Stella Rosa, this is a Rose All Day palette. This is a little quad, and you'll definitely see me use this for a palette of the day. It is so cute. I can't wait to go for like just this like pink fantasy look. And the front says Stella Rosa, and it says Rose All Day. Super cute. And then the main eyeshadow palette that they sent me, this one is called Rio, and it has one of the stands. You just undo it and you sit it like this, so then you have a mirror you can actually look into. Also really good if you're traveling. But this palette has all the colors and a few pressed glitters too. It's so pretty. I'm really liking like the ratio. This is all mattes because I love a colorful matte look, and then you can definitely pop one of these glitters on and make it completely transformative. The only thing is it doesn't have shimmers in it. So if you're like a person who loves your shimmers, your metallics, then maybe this isn't the palette for you. But if you be down to try colorful mattes and pressed glitters, this could be amazing. I'm just gonna swatch this one glitter. Ooh, it makes me want to put it on my eye. Should I put it on my eye? I've already taken pictures. Let's do it. Yeah, I feel like I need a base. Now I want to go pick up a base and put it on. It's still really pretty. Even just throwing it on there like that. I just have one more product. So this is from Ole Henriksen, and this one I also just got yesterday, and they put it in this cute little canvas bag. It says Smooth AF. I love Ole Henriksen products, so I'm so excited. This is their new scrub. It's called Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. This one also is not only a scrub, but it has AHAs in it as well, so it's going to chemically exfoliate. And that's not a scary word. Please don't be scared off by that. It just means it's going to really help like get all those dead skin cells unstuck so that they can go away, be gone, so that all your products can sink in. And oh, I haven't smelled it yet. It smells like sugary lemon. And they were also cute enough to include this little scrubby brush. Look how cute. I'm gonna put this in my shower, and it even says Ole Henriksen on it. If I could meet one like brand owner, like beauty industry person, it would be Ole Henriksen. He is the cutest, most energetic, and I feel like you would instantly be happy around him. So yeah, like if I could go on one brand trip, it would be with Ole Henriksen, and I know that's a big dream where I am right now, but I just think it would be so fun because he's like the life of the party, like anywhere he goes. So I'm very, very grateful that I got this. And if you want to see any like reviews or in-depth type things on any of these products, let me know. And I can even do like IGTVs if you want like a talking review video, but maybe you want it on Instagram versus YouTube. Let me know. I'm open to suggestions of what you guys want to see. So that is it for everything. I did good. It's only been 22 minutes since I started talking, so I didn't talk too much. And I hope you guys are having an amazing night or day or week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.